So we do just the opposite when we are condensing than when we're expanding. So when we condense, you'll notice that they all start with their own separate log. And when we condense, we should have one expression left with a single log. So I'm going to do number 7 and number 9 with you guys. So the first thing I pay attention to is what log base I'm working with. So in this case, we have a log base b. So when I'm done, I should have a single log base b of something. So when I'm looking at my problem, any number out in the front of each log expression is going to become an exponent. We're just working backwards. So this will become x cubed. This will become 4 squared. Anything positive is on the top of your fraction. Anything negative is on the bottom. So these two expressions will be on the top of your fraction multiplied together. So on the top of your fraction, it's going to be x cubed times 2x plus 1. On the bottom of the fraction, anything that is negative, so in this case, 4 to the power of 2. So I'm just going to do a little bit of simplifying here. Keep the log base b still, but I'm going to distribute the x cubed in there to make this 2x to the 4th plus x cubed and over 4 squared, which is 6t. So it looks to me, I think, a lot worse than it actually is. Just take it sort of one step at a time. So I'm going to do number 9 with you yet. So again, look at the log base that you're working with. So for number 9, we've got a log base 6. So that's going to go out in the front of everything. And do we have anything negative? Yes. So these two expressions will go in the bottom of your fraction. Any numbers out in front? Yep. 5 and 2 will become exponents. So it looks like on the top of our fraction, we'll have x to the 5th times 3 squared. And in the bottom of our fraction, y times w. So just to sort of simplify it, this becomes log base 6 of 3 squared is 9, so 9x to the 5th over y times w. And that's it. So you can almost do it in one step as long as you know your properties pretty well. And that's all there is to it. So when you condense, you end up with 1 log. And when you expand, everything has its own individual log. So that's a good way of checking to see if you're doing the right thing or not. So go ahead and try 6 and 8. And be careful with 8. It's still a log. It's just a natural log. So you'll have ln out in front instead of a log base something out in front.